Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Kulgam district. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops and paramilitary personnel cordoned off the Hadigam area of the district and launched searches. They fired several bullets, creating an atmosphere of fear in the area. The operation continued till last reports came in. Meanwhile, the Indian Forces personnel also continued their cordon and search operations and house raids in different areas of the Poonch and Rajouri districts. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the 5th January tomorrow as the Right to Self-Determination Day with the pledge to continue their struggle till they achieve their internationally acknowledged right. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The day will be marked by various activities including the protest demonstrations, rallies, seminars and conferences in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and in all major capitals of the world. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have demanded to the UN to fulfill its obligations regarding the settlement of the Kashmir dispute under its resolutions, including one passed on the January 1949. According to Kashmir Media Service, they made the demand on the eve of the adoption of the 5th January 1949 UN resolution that granted the Kashmiris right to self-determination. More posters surfaced in Srinagar calling upon the United Nations to take steps to settle the Kashmir dispute as per its resolutions passed on 5th January 1949. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters displayed by the pro-freedom organization said that India was continuously denying the Kashmiris' right of self-determination recognized by the UN Security Council through its resolutions. A civilian was found dead in the Pulwama district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the civilian Muhammad Shabir Bajar in the Riasi district was found dead under mysterious circumstances at his rented room in Pampur area of the district. Meanwhile, the dead body of a missing 18-year-old girl was found in the frozen form in the Kargil district.